FSH Welding Group is the French leader of innovative welding and brazing consumables, high-tech products distributed worldwide under the brand Selectarc. Around us, several applications of brazing assembly: HVAC, eyeglass manufacturing, bicycle frames, home and industrial appliances, drilling tools, and other applications. But how do we assemble metals of different nature? Thanks to high-quality brazing filler metals manufactured by Reboud Roche, FSH Welding Group plant, founded in 1948 and last foundry in France. Let's understand the diverse processes of a brazing filler metals production. From quality raw materials, we prepare a metal formulation. The metal alloy is melted by induction, analyzed by spectrometer or thermal analysis, which guarantees a melting point at more or less 3 degrees Celsius, very important in furnace brazing. Then, the metal is cast specifically with a process giving it a consistent homogeneity and then a very low level of impurities. Billets are then identified with a specific batch number for quality purposes. Drawing is done by extrusion through custom-made presses. Products are drawn in different shapes and diameters. Straightening, with high precision and straightness for automatic systems. Standard or specific lengths, coils, spools in various types and weights, or preforms. A wide range of bare or flux-coated rods, thickness of coating, colors. The group masters the entire manufacturing process. FSH Welding Group provides a wide range of brazing filler metals: silver solders, copper phos and silver copper phosphorus alloys, high-strength brazing alloys, aluminum alloys, and fluxes. When brazing, we can join metals of different nature by a filler metal having a lower melting point than the pieces to be joined. The main brazing methods are: induction, brazing of copper to brass parts by using a tubular silver ring of Brazing 5034. Flame, braze a refrigerated dryer of copper to aluminum capillary tube by using a rod of Zinal 4. Braze copper to copper by using a fluent copper phosphorus rod Fosbraz M73. Braze copper to brass by using a flux-coated silver solder Brazing 5056. Automatic system aluminum heat exchanger by using an innovative aluminum silicon alloy, TBM 12 NCS. Flame brazing, aluminum to aluminum using a rod of TBM 12 NCS. Furnace brazing, furnace brazing of steel radiators with copper brazing paste under N2H2 atmosphere. Our customers are our main focus. We work in quality control, governed by the ISO 9001 system. All productions are subject to several tests: spectrometric or thermal analysis, dimensional control, and brazing tests. All our services are at your disposal. We all work together for your satisfaction and benefits to our companies. Attentive to the markets and our customers, our research and development department provides the best solutions to our interlocutors.